Hey y'all, this is Daryl at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com. I've got this 1908 General Electric motor tore down here on the bench, and I've just replaced the bearings front and rear. There's the rear bearing. The front one's up in there, you might be able to see it. Here's the old ones that come out. They were pretty egg-shaped and pretty badly worn. You heard the motor run on the part 1 video. I just wanted to show this since I had the motor apart, and probably some of you have never seen the internal centrifugal start switch on these early GE motors. This is the 1908 variant, and as you can see, this hinges down here is our hinge point, and over on this side, this is our hinge point over here. And you'll see that this spring, you'll see how this hinge is open right here. And on the same, over here on this side, this hinge is open over here and is pulled back together by this spring here. So this is how that internal centrifugal start switch opens. When this rotor starts to spin, this will be closed and it'll be making contact with this ring right here. And as the rotor gets up to speed, as this starts turning faster and faster, this will hinge open here and break contact with that ring, and so it shunts contact with the start windings and makes contact with the run windings. So that's how this centrifugal start switch operates. I just wanted to get this on video while I had it all apart. This switch is a little different than most. So that's all for now. Oh, by the way, I'm going to replace these insulators here, these spacers, these red colored things down here on both sides. They're cracked, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but I'm going to replace these insulators on this switch while I've got it apart. Maybe clean this up a little bit before we put it all back together. So that's all for now. This will be part 2. Look for part 3 after I get this all back together and get it running again. It'll have the same title. The video will have the same title, just part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay? Y'all take care.